In a quiet town lived two men who prayed in the same masjid, stood in the same rows, and raised their hands to the same Lord. One of them, Yusuf, was wealthy, but humble. Allah had placed barakah in his business, and wherever he went, doors opened with ease. He smiled often, gave generously, and thanked Allah constantly. The other man, Khalid, was hard-working and sincere in worship, but his heart carried a hidden disease, Hassad. At first it was small. "Why him, Ya Allah?" Khalid whispered when he heard of Yusuf's success. Then it grew. Every blessing Yusuf received felt like a thorn in Khalid's chest. When people praised Yusuf, Khalid's smile tightened. When Yusuf donated to the masjid, Khalid's heart burned. But Khalid didn't realize something crucial. Hassad is not hatred of people. It is objection to the decree of Allah. One night, Khalid made dua. "Ya Allah," he said, "take away what you have given Yusuf." That night, Khalid slept and dreamed. He saw himself holding a torch of fire, chasing Yusuf through a dark valley. The more he ran, the heavier the torch became. The flames grew higher, scorching his hands, burning his clothes, searing his skin. Yusuf, meanwhile, walked calmly ahead, untouched by the fire. Khalid screamed, "Stop! This fire is killing me!" A voice echoed through the valley, "This is the fire of Hassad. You lit it, and it only burns you." Khalid woke up trembling, his heart pounding. At Fajr, the Imam recited, "Or do they envy people for what Allah has given them of His bounty?" Quran 4:54. The verse struck Khalid like lightning. He finally understood. Yusuf never harmed him. Yusuf never took anything from him. The only thing being destroyed was his own heart. That day, Khalid went to Yusuf, embraced him and said, "Make dua for me. I allowed envy to blind me." Yusuf smiled and replied, "May Allah purify both our hearts." From that day on, Khalid replaced envy with dua, resentment with gratitude, and comparison with contentment.